Question 11. Only about 20% of all people can wiggle their ears. Is this percent higher for millionaires? Of the 302 millionaires surveyed, 76 could wiggle their ears. Run a hypothesis test to see if the percent of millionaires who can wiggle their ears is more than 20% at the alpha level of 0.05 of significance. So to answer this question, we'll be using a z-test because z-tests for population proportion. We will be using a right tail test because it is asking if the percent is higher. Letter of correct hypothesis for test is A, which is H naught, P equals 0.20, H1, P is greater than 0.20. We are trying to see if the percent of millionaires who can wiggle their ears is more than 0.20, which is why we chose this option. The test statistic is 2.259. To do this, I had to find p hat, which was x over n. So we got that over 76 over 302. And then to find z, the test statistic, we applied p hat minus p. P would be 0.20. We got that from the percentage right here. Divided by the square root of 0.20 times 1 minus 0.20 divided by n being our sample size of 302. And that's what gave me 2.259. Critical value is 0.012. I used normal CDF, applied what's it called again? The test statistic, and 1,000. Is the critical value in the rejection region? Yes, because the p-value is less than 0.05. We reject the null hypothesis. It's less than alpha. Based on this, should we fail to reject or accept HO? We reject it. We reject because p-value is less than alpha. Based on your hypothesis. Okay, so for this option, I chose the one that said the data suggests the population proportion is significantly more than 20% at the level of 0.05. So there is sufficient evidence to conclude that the proportion of millionaires who can wiggle their ears is more than 20%.